This light is brighter than my future? SmallRig RC 120B review will melt your eyeballs. In 4K. Ever felt like your lighting setup is sabotaging your content career? Like, you're grinding for hours, only to end up with flat, dim, washed out footage that looks like it was shot in your grandma's basement? Yeah, we've been there. You're not lazy, your gear's just garbage. All those sketchy LEDs with flicker, zero control, and that annoying buzz that creeps into your mic, ugh. You're stuck wrestling unreliable tools, watching your ideas fade in terrible lighting. It's not you, it's that sad excuse for a light. And let's be real, your creativity deserves better than budget junk lighting with the color accuracy of a broken lava lamp. And the longer you use that sad light, the more you lose. Your content doesn't pop. Your client's deadline? Missed. Your motivation? Gone. Burnout is creeping in like a slow virus, thanks to frustrating setups, endless tweaking, and that whore from lights that sound like a broken drone. You're spending more time fixing shadows than creating. Missed shoots. Sloppy color correction. And your audience? Bouncing faster than TikTok trends. If your gear's not leveling up, you're basically shooting your own hustle in the foot. It's time for a light that gets you, finally. Enter the SmallRig RC 120B, the light your grind deserves. With a retina-scorching 52,800 lux at 1 meter, CRI 95+, TLCI 96+, and buttery-smooth bicolor range from 2,700K to 6,500K, this beast transforms any room into a pro-grade studio. Whether you're filming YouTube bangers, cinematic content, or zooming like a boss, it nails color and mood every time. Silent cooling, just 25 decibels, Bowens mount, 9 sexy lighting FX, AC or V mount power, plus SmallGoGo app control that lets you dial things in like a Jedi from your phone. It's plug, play, slay. Your workflow just got an upgrade. No more scrambling mid-shoot. The RC120B makes your setup feel stupidly easy. Dial in temp, tweak brightness, summon lighting FX on the fly, all with zero stress. It comes with a pro-level hyper reflector and a snowflake cloth bag because yes, style matters. Whether you're solo shooting in your bedroom or building your dream studio, this light helps you show up like the pro you are. And when your lighting's on point, you perform better. Period. So smash that link and light your life up. Don't be left in the dark, literally. Creators everywhere are ditching their old lights for the SmallRig RC 120B and finally seeing their vision come to life. Why wait? Stock flies fast, duh, it's fire. Join the thousands who've leveled up with SmallRig. If you're serious about content, don't settle. You want accurate color? You got it. Wireless control. Of course. Power anywhere? Yup. No water resistance? Don't shower with it, problem solved. Click now. Hit that buy button. Your lighting glow up is calling, and it's loud. Let's get lit.